So students, whenever we are just talking about the velocity, in our mind it should come the speed of an object is a certain direction. Speed of an object in the certain direction, that is called velocity. You see the movement. This direction is horizontal then vertical, but it is coming into that way. The both are reaching on the same time. See how they are reaching. It is going from this side and the same distance it is going to be covered into that same place. So speed of object in the certain direction, that is called velocity. Two type of the measurement quantity, that is one is scalar quantity and one is vector quantity. If it is not having a certain direction, that is called scalar quantity, but having the direction, that is called vector quantity. So velocity is a vector quantity and the speed is the scalar quantity, students. Okay. Shock versus shoes friction demonstration. So does it make the difference slide in the shock? Explain. Shocks. Does it make a difference sliding in the shocks? Explain. After applying a force of 1000 newtons, an object of mass is 2000 kilogram. So what is the acceleration? Come on, tell me. After applying a force of 1000 Newton, an object of mass is 2000 kilogram. So what is the acceleration? Quickly. I want to see how many have given me the answers. An object requires the force of 100 Newton. An object requires the force of 100 Newton to achieve the acceleration A. And if the mass of an object is 500 kilogram, so what will be the value of A? Quickly. So after this question, that the next thing, a force. Students, of force, you are knowing about that. Force is a push or pull. Whenever we talk about that, a balanced force and unbalanced force. So the type of the forces that are gravity and friction. Forces like a gravity and the frictions can affect what? This is the question you have to understand about that. So type of the forces, like a forces is that this force is affect what? Who will give me the answer? Students, here the friction. Whenever I talk about the friction, friction is a force that occurs. When it occurs, when the one object rub against the another. All of you rub your hand. All of you rub your hand. So what is the effect is coming? You definitely going to feel something, no? Whenever you are rubbing your hand, after some time you are going to feel something. What is happening? So the friction is a force that a surface exert on the other surface. Means that is the below hand and this hand you put on your cheek. So whenever you are just doing this activity, you will see that all of you open that video. Ayushdeep, rub your hand fast. All of you fast, you rub your hand. Quickly. Akash, Ayushdeep, on your video. After some time, how do you feel that? It is heat. Or put on your cheek. Do this 1 time, 2 time. Very fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. Very fast. Come on guys. Done? Amrish Yadav, rub your hand. It is not that way. And put it on that cheek. And you see that burger is just making on your cheek. So that is the good burger. And you enjoy the birthday along with the burger. Okay. Ayushdeep is also happy, sir, is sending the burger, you know. Okay, no problem. So this is the good things students you have seen. Most of the students are not on the video. It is good, no? Whenever I am able to look you, then I can understand that what you are doing, and how, that is everyone you have to just. As students, those have not submitted the notebook, their marks will be deducted. So please submit it, because from the ERP I will check. So all of you send your work on the ERP, 1 page, 2 page, like this, 1 page, 2 page. And you must mention in the message box how many page you are sending, and the next time how much page are left. Okay, so this is also the very important thing, students. If you are not submitting, then it will definitely affect your notebook. This occurs that objects rub against each other. You have done this activity also, and you realize that whenever the one surface is going to be rubbed on the other surface, so they are definitely just producing the heat. Friction will cause a moving object to slow down, and finally it will stop. Students, if you are just throwing a ball or either kicking a ball on that ground, after some time the ball is going to be stopped, and that is the cause of the friction. Friction is the cause of the moving object to slow down, and finally it will stop. So it means that, what is that? Friction is a type of force. Okay. So one thing, two factors determine the amount of friction. One is that how the surface is, and it is a smooth or it is the particular rough. So how a hard surface are pushing during that motion. So opposite that, that is a contact force. So friction can also be the force make it difficult to start an object moving, students. So I think the friction you have understood. A smoother surface have the less friction. So when the body slides or the roll over the rough surface, it is having more friction. But whenever I am talking about the smoother, the two surfaces are less friction between them. Moving object will not slow down as quickly in a smoother surface. So that's why you have seen, if you are spreading the some grease or the mobile or some oil on the floor, and you are coming and you will fall down over there. So it is a friction. Friction between the surface, basically we are using in our daily life to reduce that that in order to object to move easily. You have seen in the fan also we are putting a grease as a lubricant, and so that roller can move easily, and lubricating oil of surface, so that it will just reduce the friction. So if the friction will be high, then greater force we have to apply. The friction will be low, then it is easy to move. So heavy object easily you will move that, less friction or more friction. Here students, that is the two diagram in which have the less friction and in which have the more friction. Students, an object of the 50 kilogram get the speed of 10 meter per second in the 5 seconds from zero velocity. So calculate the required force applied by the engine of the car. An object of the 50 kilogram get the speed of 10 meter per second in the 5 seconds from zero velocity. Calculate the required force applied by the engine of the car. Let us see how many students are giving me that answer. In this question, students, I have already asked you about that. The initial velocity is u, that is 0, and the final velocity is the 10 meter per second. And time is given 5 seconds. And what is the mass of an object? 50 kilogram. So what do you have to find it out? You have to find it out the force. So force is equal to m into v minus u by t. So m is 50 kilogram and final velocity is 10 meter per second. Initial velocity is 0. That you are going to divide by the 5 seconds. So finally you find out that 10 meter per second means from the final velocity, the initial velocity will be subtract, then it is the 10, and it is divided by the time, that is the 5, and finally it will get 2, and we multiply with that force, that mass, it is the 100 Newton force is required to move. That you solve and solve solution. Next question, which is a very easy question, students. I hope that you are able to solve. Such a easy question. I want to see who has given me the answer. So in this, a bus start from the stop and take 50 seconds to get the speed of 10 meter per second. And if the mass of the bus along with passenger is 10,000 kilogram, so calculate the force applied by the engine of bus to push the bus at the speed of 10 meter per second. So very simple question, students. I hope that you are able to solve. Who has given me that answer? I want to see. What is gravity? So family guys, you have to see and what is the gravity considers a force. So next class I will tell you about the gravity and how it is does the gravitational force are there. So students, you go through and write whatever the points you are not able to understand. When a train suddenly start moving forward, the passenger standing in the compartment tends to fall backwards. What is the reason? If I talk about the second question, when a hanging carpet is beaten with a stick, when a hanging carpet is beaten with a stick, the dust particle start falling out of it. Why? And a ball thrown vertically upwards by the person in a moving train, that ball comes back to his hand. Why? And what type of the concept is here? Thank you so much. Urvi Bakar, thank you so much. Bye bye students. If anyone have any question, then you can write or you can ask right now. Thank you so much and good day. Bye bye.